Hello everyone, my name is Susan, and on behalf of the Colorado Department of Revenue, it is my pleasure to walk you through this video introduction on how to upload an Excel spreadsheet on the Colorado Department of Revenue SUTS website. This video will provide you with step-by-step instructions, and you can pause and rewind the video at any time to review the instructions provided. Let's go ahead and get started. The Colorado Department of Revenue aims to make complex tax information easier to understand to enable accurate and on-time tax filings. To that end, we encourage using Revenue Online and other online services that we'll be using today. This video will cover the following: understanding components of the Business Center on the SUTS website, accessing the Excel template, downloading it, how to fill it in, how to upload the document, and then how to review the information after it has been uploaded. After you have logged in on the SUTS website, you'll be taken to the Business Center. In the upper left-hand section of the web page, you will see Open Tasks. This will indicate items that need to have action taken. On the right-hand side, you will see Quick Links. Quick Links has resources for you, as well as the Excel template that we'll be using today. On the lower half of the Business Center page, it shows any activity that has taken place on your account. In order to download the Excel template that we're going to be using today, under Quick Links, click on the Excel Upload template. When you do this, in the lower left-hand corner of the screen, you will see the document. Open that document and be sure to click Enable Editing. As a best practice, I always like to make sure that I save my document right away, and that way I can ensure that any changes made will be saved. The document has two tabs. The first tab is the Instructions tab. The first time you open this document, read the instructions fully so you understand how to utilize this Excel template. The second tab, Upload Data. It's very important that you do not change the naming convention of this tab, as that will impede your ability to be able to upload the document. Column A is where you enter the account number for either the state or a home rule city. The account type, this is whether it is a state or local collected tax. The jurisdiction code, and then the jurisdiction name. Column E is where you will put the gross amount of sales that applies to the jurisdiction for which you are filing. Columns F and over list the various deductions that you are allowed to take as a business owner. Once you have filled in the Excel document, make sure that you save it and then return to the Business Center on the SUTS website. Then under Open Tasks, click on the link that says Upload Excel Data, Upload for Sales Tax New. When you click on this link, you'll be taken to this page. In the center of this web page, click on Choose File, and then go out and retrieve the document that you have just filled out. You'll then see the document name will change right here. Then hit the orange Submit button. A successful submission will show green messages in the upper left-hand corner. If there's a problem with the document, you would get a red alert message telling you what needs to be corrected. The data displayed on this screen is for all jurisdictions. If you want to look at a specific jurisdiction and the information that was uploaded, you can select it from this drop-down box. When you do that, you'll see additional fields that are populated. The gross sales is in line 1. Line 5 lists the amount of sales tax. Line 8, the vendor fee given back to you, conditional on the timely remittance of the tax due. In line 9, you will see the total sales tax that is due. Scrolling to the bottom of the screen, there is the place where you will put in electronic signature and your title. If all the information on the page is correct, you then hit Submit. This then takes you to your cart, where you will see the total amount of dollars that is owed for this filing. You can proceed by clicking the payment method, or you can return back to your business center. You'll now notice under Open Tasks that the Complete Sales and Use Tax Calculation form is now in a pending status. That's because it hasn't been completed. You can click on this link and it will take you back to the previous screen where the data has been uploaded. Click Submit and you're back to the cart item again. For further instructions on how to complete your payment, please refer to the Colorado Department of Revenue video on how to make a payment. This ends the video introduction on how to upload an Excel spreadsheet and how to review the data. As a reminder, there are many resources available to you through the Colorado Department of Revenue. Please keep these resources in mind if you find you need additional support. My name is Susan, and on behalf of the Colorado Department of Revenue, Taxation Division, Education and Training, thank you for watching this video, and thank you for being tax compliant.